Good afternoon, y'all. I was sitting here working on credit on a couple of my clients' stuff, sending out some no response letters, and a thought came into my mind, and I just had to share it with y'all. Um, Credit repair is not a overnight process. It takes time. It took time for you to mess it up. It takes time to repair it. When you sign up for credit repair, you have to have patience because it takes a lot of work, and everything is done through the mail. I do nothing over the internet. Everything's done through the mail. Secondly, we're all forced to have credit, whether we want to or not. You need credit in your life. Whether you want to have it or not, you need credit in your life. You need credit for certain things. Whether you just want to go to Sprint or T-Mobile and get the newest iPhone, you need credit to get that phone. So I don't know what y'all waiting for. Y'all might as well sign up, get y'all credit fixed, because when you build credit, you establish credit, and you have good credit, you get other people's money. Let me break it down to you. You got the debit card and you got a credit card. A debit card is your money. Only your money that you can use, that you have a limit on. Because if you only got $100, that's all you can use on your debit card is $100. After that, overdraft fees. Credit card, that's other people's money. You use it responsibly. Stay under the 30% of your credit limit. Only use 30% of your credit limit. They increase it, you'll get more money, and you can always call and ask for increases every 6 months to a year. You can always call and ask for an increase. As long as you make your payments on time, that plays a big factor with your credit report, your score, your overall score. Payment history is 35% of your score. So if you late making payments, your score is going to drop anywhere from 50 to 100 points for just one missed payment, one late payment. So making payments on time with that credit card company for 6 months to a year, call them and ask them for an increase. Even if you got to say, look, American Express offered me $3,000. What y'all trying to give me? Call them and ask them for an increase, because if you don't ask for an increase, they won't give it to you. Capital One sometimes will give you an increase, but it ain't going to hurt to ask, especially if you got good credit and you have a good payment history with them. So once again, like I said, we all need credit, whether we want it or not. And with credit, you can use other people's money and save yours. Use other people's money and save yours. That's all I wanted to share with y'all.